Welcome to Best Car Craze, where we delve into the world of automotive excellence. Today, we explore the 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast, a masterpiece that embodies Ferrari's commitment to performance, luxury, and innovation. Unveiling the beast, Ferrari's latest marvel. The 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast is a testament to Ferrari's relentless pursuit of perfection. This rear-wheel drive coupe is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, delivering an astonishing 800 horsepower and 718 Nm of torque. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, it propels from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.9 seconds, reaching a top speed of 340 km per hour. Design, a fusion of elegance and aerodynamics. The 812 Superfast's design is a harmonious blend of aerodynamic efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Its sleek silhouette is complemented by active aerodynamics, including an adaptive rear spoiler and front flaps that adjust to driving conditions. The aggressive stance is further accentuated by 20-inch alloy wheels and a bold front grille, ensuring both form and function are flawlessly integrated. Interior, luxury meets technology. Step inside the 812 Superfast, and you're greeted with a cabin that exudes luxury and cutting-edge technology. The cockpit is adorned with premium leather upholstery, a multifunctional steering wheel, and dual touchscreen displays that manage infotainment and vehicle settings. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide maximum comfort during high-speed drives, while the cabin layout ensures that every control is within easy reach. Performance, engineering excellence. At the heart of the 812 Superfast lies its 6.5-liter V12 engine, a marvel of engineering. This naturally aspirated powerhouse produces 800 horsepower and 718 Nm of torque, propelling the car from 0 to 100 km per hour in a mere 2.9 seconds. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, while the rear-wheel drive layout offers an engaging driving experience. With a top speed of 340 km per hour, the 812 Superfast is a true testament to Ferrari's commitment to performance. Technology, innovation at its finest. The 812 Superfast is equipped with advanced technology that enhances both performance and safety. The electric power steering system offers precise handling, while the adaptive suspension system ensures a smooth ride. Safety features include adaptive headlights, traction control, and a comprehensive airbag system, providing peace of mind for both driver and passenger. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast is available in various markets, with prices starting at approximately $675,888 in Australia. In Saudi Arabia, the starting price is SAR $1,485,000. These prices reflect the exclusivity and craftsmanship associated with the Ferrari brand. The 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast is more than just a car, it's a statement of Ferrari's legacy in automotive excellence. With its powerful V12 engine, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge technology, it offers an unparalleled driving experience. Whether on the open road or displayed in a collection, the 812 Superfast stands as a symbol of Ferrari's commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance and design. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Ferrari 812 Superfast. Stay tuned to Best Car Craze for more insights into the world of luxury automobiles.